Here we are in Davinci Resolve, and so you want to go and trim, split, or cut a video. So this is really convenient to do as there may be parts of the video you don't want. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and edit them out. Make sure it's this full guide step by step as we're showing you the different ways you can go about this. So of course, to get started, come into your Davinci Resolve project. And what you can do is go and add in the media into the timeline, as you can see I've already done here. So you can go and see this is the clip I'm doing it with. You may have multiple, we're just doing it with this one for now. So to get started, to go and trim the start and end point, what you need to do is you need to go and place your cursor near that point. As you can see, we then go and have this go and appear. It's a sort of like a bracket with an arrow pointing. And then what you can do is click, hold, and start dragging like so. And you can go and start trimming out the part you don't want at the start. Then you can release. You can do the same thing at the end as well. Hover your cursor over it until you see the bracket with the arrow. And then you can click, hold, and start dragging like so. And there we have it. We've now gone and edited the start and end point. You can then click, hold, and drag the entire thing to go move it to where you want it to be. Now, if you want to go and remove a part in the middle, what you can do is go make a split. To do that, you can click at the top of the timeline to go and place the playback cursor where you want it to be and press Ctrl B to go and make a split. And then you can choose you want to go and make another split and press Ctrl B. And you've then gone and split it off here. And to go and delete this part, you can go and select it and press backspace or delete on your keyboard. Then you can click, hold, and you can drag it so there's no space in between the clips like so, and you can play it back, and that's perfect.